My eyes are red. What can I do? Red eyes are the worst. People may think you have an infection, they think you might have been overindulging, or you're just not sleeping because you're staying out late. It's not only a problem socially, but medically, there could be an underlying issue that we need to address as well. Let me give you my recommendation that I tell my patients. Your eyes are meant to be white and bright. If they're not, there's some underlying issue causing this to happen. Usually it's some form of inflammation or obstruction of the eyelid glands. Now, this is something that you need to see your eye doctor to figure out, but in the interim, if you need a drop, Lumify is the one I recommend. Don't use Visine. I repeat, do not use Visine. Repeated use of Visine is actually going to make your red eye worse. Lumify is a drop that you can use on a daily basis that removes the redness and helps your eyes be white and bright and helps remove that social stigma of red eyes. Now, that being said, just treating the redness is not going to help the underlying problem. We're putting in a band-aid on a gunshot wound. We need to heal the underlying cause. Now, the three most common reasons I see as an underlying cause are, number one, the lids. Your lids are meant to be barriers from dirt, debris, all the things that can irritate your eye. But if we don't clean that dirt and debris off your lids and lashes, guess what it does? It causes inflammation and irritation. So something as simple as lid hygiene. Cleaning your lids and lashes with a tea tree foam cleanser or a hypochlorous acid spray. I do recommend Avenova. Those things can clean the bacteria away and keep your eyes healthy and happy. If the issue stems from a lack of tear production because there's a lot of underlying inflammation, we have drops that we can prescribe that reduce the inflammation. We even have nasal sprays that help you produce more tears. Come in, get an exam, and we'll find the exact cause and get you the specific treatment for your condition. Now lastly, there can be an underlying systemic condition. It can be a medication you're taking or an actual condition that is affecting your eyes. I had a patient come in that had a chronic red eye. We actually sent her to her primary care doctor to get blood work, and she had an autoimmune disorder that was manifesting in the eye. So you never know if your red eyes are something more or something specific to the eye. The key is to see an eye care provider that has a lot of experience with dry eye or ocular surface disease. They're going to know the specific tests, have the equipment to get you the answers you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.